Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about the stock of AMC Entertainment. Now, if you are looking at the current price action, you will see the stock is trading exactly at its support level. Now let me zoom this chart a bit and then you will see what's actually happening and what's the level that we are talking about over here. So this is what it is, and actually it is taking support. So right now it is taking support at its 50-day moving average. This yellow line is 50-day moving average. So there are some excuses that we can give, but it is holding very near to its previous support. Now why I am saying this is because the stock recently touched a low or the 50-day moving average, but the close price is high and it has closed uh, it is actually closed above 28.89, which was your previous support, and the current close is $29. Now this is the weekly chart that we can see, where you will get the range, and the lower end of the range is 25.41, then we have 28.89, and the upper end of the range or the breakout level is in between 32.72 and 33.86 or $34. Now, until and unless, because the stock has actually made a breakout and then it's in a correction, consolidation, whatever you may want to call it as, but it is in a phase where the stock is moving, or I would say the stock is not moving higher. That's it, right? So this is the range, but the caution here is do not go below $25. This will be a strict stop loss. Okay, don't go below this level. And the another thing is the big trend will only start after the stock started sustaining above $34, right? So these are the levels that we are going to look at as far as the trends are concerned. Now let's go to the current price action and let's see what's happening over here, because weekly chart will give you, so the weekly chart will give you fair amount of idea, but when daily chart is so volatile we cannot stick to the long term trend, because we will lose something big in the short term. Now if I zoom this, if I zoom the chart, what we can see here, so if I zoom the chart, what we can see here, that the stock is exactly, or it is very near to the support it has previously taken. So what you have here is 29.16, which is your immediate support, and 26.97 or $27 as your stop loss, right? Now if you want, this is not not at all an advice. Okay, if you want, you can stretch your stop loss, or you can stretch it up to this level. So the extended stop loss is $21. I mean, this is because of the kind of volatility the stock possesses, but better not to go below $27 on the downside, right? Now if it sustains above $29, if it continues to sustain above $29, then we have couple of levels to look at, starting with our primary target of 46.48, then we have 52.72, and we will move back towards the upper end of the range, and the range is in between 66.13 and $74. So these are going to be our four primary targets, or the recent highs that the stock has made. So this is what actually going on as far as the current range or trend is concerned, because overall it looks like a flag pattern, right? As you can see here, it will, so this is a flag pattern. As you can see, this is a positive pattern, because the stock has already moved up by more than 3,500%, and whatever is happening in context of that big move is just a consolidation. So currently we are in a range which is in between $27 on the downside and $74 on the upside. Now big move that we are expecting, will start after $74, right? And if things are not wrong, and if the trend extend itself, then the very big target after the breakout, or the conditional level that we are going to look at, beyond 74 or $75, will push the price in between $260 and $360 in the upcoming weeks and months. So probably this is a very important level at which the stock is currently trading. If it sustains, we will have some good days ahead. But the important thing is, don't overstay your welcome on the downside. Downside is risky, and you should know what are the entry and exit levels. And more specifically, don't try to push your luck. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.